Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday, February 8, 2022. As you see that the US market rebounded after a choppy week as the S&P 500 index SPX able to gain 1.55% today. The technology were among the strong sector and be able to find support and rally during the last week choppy action. And if you look at the 8 out of the 11 sector of the S&P 500, they all in a positive territory today. And the energy sector as well as financial sector, the two best sector that lead the market to the upside. And today we also look at one sector that have potential to turn around. That's the XLY, which is the consumer discretionary. So I'm going to show you in detail in a little bit. So now if you look at the indices, let's see where we're at. So first of all, if you look at the E-mini S&P 500, if you watch my weekly market forecast, so I show you the market, they look like they were able to find a strong support here and then they continue to make it high, low to the upside. So by start from tomorrow until the end of the week, if we'll be able to break out the Dow trend line, the momentum will start shipping to the upside and we have to test the major resistance line up here. But the momentum, but as long as they shift to the upside, we're looking forward to see the market be able to punch through it and make it high in the future. If you look at the Nasdaq, it also pretty strong. This is the Nasdaq. Let me open the NQ. So the NQ, it also be able to find a support here, as you can see. Now they put it back up. They come back, retest, they hold it. So the momentum will start shifting to the upside. So again, we're looking for continuation to the upside in the future here. And if you look at the Dow is pretty strong, by the way. They come back down and then they put back up the retest. Now they try to get above the 50-day moving average. So if they can clear this resistance here, the Dow will the first one it's strong to bounce back from the bottom here. The Russell 2000 it also found a support at this level, and now they try to break out this level. If they can clear this resistance here, they will continue to put it up to retest the strong support line now become a resistance line. Okay, and if you look at the crude oil is still hang tight to the upside. As long as it stay above the upper trend line, then it still have momentum. But if they drop below here, then you should take some profit because this is a long move. They need to pull back down before they can go higher in the future. Gold is also sideways, as you can see here. They back and forward in this triangle here until they give you the clear direction break out, either to go up or go down here. So right now the momentum is still in the short term, it still push it up to test the upper bow here. If you look at the Bitcoin, they found a support, like I told you, they put it back up. So they hit to the first level of resistance. So somebody get in early, they take some profit, and then they need to pull back down properly to fill up the gap here before they can find a way to turn around again. Ethereum, it's also the same thing, as you can see here. They come back, they hit some resistance at the moving average here, so they need to pull back down, fill up the gap probably before they can move higher. If you look at the euro, it also found a support. They put it back up. Now they hit right the resistance again, so they need to pull back a little bit before they can find a way to move in the future there. If you look at the Volatility Index, the good thing here, this one is the fear index, so they continue to drop down to the downside. That's a good sign for the market to be more stabilized and be able to continue to put it up. Okay. The only thing that the 10-year Treasury note, it still continue to put it to the upside, and then this one it caused a major problem for the inflation. So but they are very close to the resistance area here. So let's see how far they can go. But this one here, it will call the interest rate to rise, and people are more concerned about the inflation, but they are very close to the resistance. So when this one calm down, definitely they will help the market to move also. And now let's take a look on the major indices to see how they look like. So the material it also try to hang tight to the support here. So if they can push it back up, then this one it can be a bottom out also. The only sector they have problem right now is that the communication service, because of Facebook they get hit pretty hard, as you can see. So this one it can cause some damage to the XLC there, but right now they are almost get to the oversold area here. So let's see, they can rebound back a little bit, but this one here it caused major damage to the XLC. And the energy sector is still pretty strong, as you can see here. But even though they are a little bit overbought, so you have to monitor carefully. Okay, watch out, tie up your stop loss in case they put it back down for a correction. But the XLE, as you can see here, they still have some room to put it back up as the oil continue to hang tight to the upside there. The financial sector it also bullet with the 10-year Treasury note continue to put it to the upside. The interest rate continue to high, it will benefit the bank. So those stocks still continue to push it back up. The XLI, which is the industrial sector, they look like they also found support at the buy zone here. So if the next couple of days they be able to put it back up, they will have a lot of stock in this sector to put back up. You know, like UPS, RTX, you know, Lockheed Martin, those kind of stock, and even GE still try to find a way to put it up to the upside also. The XLP, which is the consumer stable, okay, with the inflation high, consumer stable it still hangs high there, but you have to watch out because they are overextended right now. They are still trying to crawl back up, so watch out for the resistance on the top there. The you know, those sectors like XLU, XLRE, they only have a small portion in the SP 500, so I don't want to waste time to go there. So now I'm going to show you. Since today you can see that all of the 8 sector out of 11 sector of SP 500 they're all in green except the XLRE, XLC, and energy. They pull back a little bit. So the one that really strong, as you can see, that the XLY. Okay, XLY, that sector has been hit pretty hard with a coronavirus, and a lot of stock in this sector they get hit very deeply here. But look like they found a support at this level. Now they're looking forward to put it back to the upside. So today alone, you can see that they go up to 0.59. That's a big number there. So if they can clear this resistance here, this sector will move higher. So I'm going to show you the 7 stock in the XLY consumer discretionary. It's still strong, and they are all outperform the SP 500, the SPX. So the first one is the Amazon. Okay, so you can see that Amazon they are very strong stock. After earning, they are double, triple income there, and then they continue to have a better guidance in the future. So this stock will continue to put it to the upside there. Okay, so after they found support here, they continue to make it high low to the upside there. The second one is a Tesla. Okay, Tesla it also put it back up the whole upside and found support, and looking forward to put it up. And between the Amazon and Tesla, they already go up about 9% for the week already. So that's a good sign. They will help the sector XLY continue to push it back up. And a couple more talk here like RL, okay, Ralph Lauren. this stock is after consolidation for a while here. Now they're looking forward to break out the downtrend line and continue to the upside. And another sector, that the casino role play, they get hit by the virus. Now we learn how to live with the virus. So everybody either get vaccine or they get hit by the COVID already. So they will immune by themselves. So if that one can stabilize, you can see that more people will start traveling by sea, by air, and go to casino. So MGM, that will be the one that have been stabilized and looking forward to the upside there. And EXPE, okay, travel booking, those things to continue to make it high today. So that one here, it look like more people book for traveling right now. So EXPE, that's the next one. And the LTR, okay, that's another one belong to the XLY. So this stock, they get hit after the run up, they correct. Now they're looking forward to push it up to the upside again. And it doesn't matter where they go, then people, they need a hotel. So you can see that Marriott, more people booking. So this one, they are ready to break out the high here and continue to the upside. Okay, so that is 7 stock in the XLY. They are all outperform the SPX. So I just want to show you. So you monitor it, put in your watch list, and let's see how they lay out. So beside these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick many stocks daily and analyze in detail with the entries and the target so that you can follow. So I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching, and then I will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.